This is Bertha with a brand new Sorbitol engine and a charge made with the nails and the Vaseline, and we have no idea if it's going to work. 3, 2, 1. It's not enough thrust, but maybe you can get it to peak. I wonder why there's no thrust. We got that figured out.
Yes, and I got that beautifully.
Bertha, all Estes, just because we wanted to fly. On a B64. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. It lands right on top of it.
Sweet.
Okay, first flight of the Interceptor, B64, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That was kind of close.
That was.
It worked, but I just need something bigger than a B.